Hi, LPDs. Hello. So, I've been receiving a lot of questions regarding the time allotment and the number of items sa board examination natin, teachers. Okay, and I will answer that question today. But bago yan, I would like to remind everyone na sa araw po ng board exam ninyo, you have to report doon sa inyong mga classroom assignment bago mag 6:30 in the morning because may mga fill upan pa po kayo. Ano, si Proctor rin ay magbibigay ng mga general instructions. Okay, so what time ba magsimula yung first subject natin? By the way, kung may specialization or majorship po kayo, tatlong subjects po yung sasagutan nyo. We have the Gen Ed, the Prof Ed, and your specialization. And each subject will have 150 questions. Okay, so meaning if you have a majorship or specialization, ay magsasagot kayo ng 150 plus 150 plus 150. That is 450 questions in a day. Pero kung wala naman po kayong majorship, you will only answer 300 items in a day. Okay? Now, pag-usapan po natin yung time allotment. Okay, so anong oras ba magsisimula yung board exam? Magsisimula yung exam na talaga at 8 a.m. Okay? And ano yung first subject? You will begin with a general education. And general education, you will be given 2 hours to answer it. So, 8 until 10 a.m. That is for general education. Okay? And after that, you will have 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. That is a break time. Okay? And during that time, pwede kayong kumain na kasi after 11 a.m. until 2 p.m., that will be the time for the professional education. So, basically, meron kayong 3 hours for the professional education, okay? So, again, 11 until 2 p.m. ay professional education. Now, after that, 2 p.m. until 3 p.m., that's another break. And 3 p.m. until 6:30 p.m., that is the time allotted for your specialization or majorship, and that is 3 hours and 30 minutes. So, ganun lang po. So, you'll be given ample of time, no, sa pagsasagot ninyo ng professional education and majorship. So, wag niyo pong madaliin. You have to reread the questions, especially, no, medyo exhausted na tayo, no? So, that's why, no, teachers, I always remind you na magbasa po talaga kayo. Get used to reading a lot or answering a lot of questions in a day because during the board exam, imagine you will answer 450 questions. Okay? And I'm telling you, the number one enemy in the board exam is exhaustion. It's sleepiness. Okay? So that's why condition your mind and be prepared. So that's it. And in our next video, ay sasagutan ko naman po kung ano yung or sasagutin natin kung ano ba yung mga bagay na dapat yung dalhin sa inyong classroom assignments or dun sa examination site ninyo. And of course, what are the things that you should not bring? Okay, thank you and goodbye.